So I've got these really cool polarized sunglasses. Let's check what's inside the box and then I'll wear it and see how they look. There we go. These are the glasses. You also get this, another one to clean it, and a manual. Let's check this first. This is actually to keep it in. And we also have this wear glasses to see the beautiful pattern. You can see this with the polarized glasses, so that's how you test them if you want. So you get this pouch to keep the glasses in, and you also get this to clean the glasses. This cloth right here. Now let's check the glasses. So let's take this off. And this. So that's how they look. They look really good. I like them. There we go. So that's how you can check that these are polarized. And the other lens. Nothing here. We got nothing here, and then we got something here. So now let's put them on. I like them. That's how they look, as you can see here from the side, from the front as well, from the other side. I really like them.